To live in this realm is to suffer. Some say death is a release from suffering. But not for you, struggler. For you, death is only the beginning. You are with God now. Just me and my friend God, hanging around, doing some stuff and having some fun. Oh, that's okay. That's block, I assume. That's a slashy. That's a kicky. Okay, we're ready to fight. Bring it on. Bring it on, world. Fuck that shit. Oh, you did teleporty dudes? Why? Why though? Oh god. Okay. Got some like magic greaves and athletic cup. A couple other goodies, you know. There you go. All kinds of armor going on. I'm starting to get the hang of this game. I wish there wasn't so much feedback in this castle, but I know I said one more, but one more. Because I am enjoying this, but yeah. It's like one more dive into the hole of fate. And then we'll move on to the next thing. Because yeah, it is making the stream absolute soup stream. It's a creamy gumbo right now. Yes, I do want to exit. For now, we're going to move on to something else. But yeah, Mortal Sin, that's pretty cool. There's some cool stuff going on there. Red tape is an idiom referring to regulations or conformity to formal rules and standards, which are blah, blah. I didn't read fast enough. You know what red tape is. I guess they're thinking somebody might not. Shift to see your document. Okay. Already we have an interesting kind of PS1 look. As I get out of the elevator, a voice says, "Wait in line." Okay. Just queue up here. Those are kind of creepy. I don't think the line's going to go anywhere. We'll just wait, you know. Wait our turn. Don't want to be rude. Oh, that's kind of a neat little rug. I like that. What is this? I don't even know. Alright, well, here, let's check with this lady and see if... Excuse me? Do I need to sign in, or... Let me just pardon me, just... Hi. Click on something or press E to interact. Hello, so I need a signature in this document here. Who do you need to sign this? Well, the devil? So, you know you can't just get a signature from the devil, right? No? Yeah, take this coin and say Nancy sent you. I got a coin. You also need my stamp on your document. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Nancy. You've been very helpful. That's all. Now go and don't come back until you have a manager's signature. Yeah, no, I got you. Let me just... Can I just... Sir, can I just speak to... Sir, can I just... Real quick, Where did you get your jeans? No. Balding guy? No. Identical twin people? No. Okay, no one. Alright. Well. I assume we have to, go down. Which floor did she say we had to go to? I was not paying attention. I always do this. Second floor? I think it was the second floor. Hi. Oh, you're Carl. Okay, I see you have a coin. You can hand it to me now. How can I help you? Hey, you're Carl, right? So I need to get this document signed by the devil and Nancy in the secretary. In the secretary. Is that correct? Is that like the name of the area? Okay. Nancy in the secretary told me that first I've got to see the manager. Okay, the manager is kind of hard to reach. I suppose I can prepare a permit that allows you to go see him. That would be great. Oh, I clicked too fast to read the dialogue. What do you mean? I don't know. I have to do a lot of stuff here, like fill the copy machine with paper. If you did that for me, maybe I could work on that permit for you. Doesn't seem so difficult, but sure, why not? Okay, when you do that, come back and talk to me. What did you want again? Yeah, I don't have legs. What are you looking at? Oh, there's only a bit of Carl there. I feel like I accidentally clicked through the only important piece of information. He's working. He's working. Excuse me. I missed the prompt. Oh hey, it's clip from popular TV show. Solitaire. What does that say? Cardoisomatic. Cardoisomatic? Oh, it's me. It's me. Okay. Find the copy paper. That's what I'm thinking, but like he needed me to fix the copier, but if I were copy paper. Hey man, I'm on my time off. All right, sorry. You're a big guy. Can are these doors or no? Strumming my pain with his finger. Oh, there we go. I think that's probably some copy paper. Should do the trick. I'm guessing I gotta hit all 3 of these, right? Get that one. Get this one. There you go. That's all good. Okay, cool. Here we go. Let's go see Carl. Walking into a wall a little bit. Thanks a lot, friend. I think now I must sign that paper of yours. Sweet. Alright, we got a green stamp. We got Carl's signature. Now to get that worker badge I told you about is no easy job. What do you mean? We can't just give our badges to you since we're working right now. There could be a random inspection at any moment, and if we get caught without our badges, we might get sent to the eternal suffering pits, or worse, get fired. Alright. Going down. We don't need no stinking badges. Ding. Good resolution. Okay, yeah. I can see that this area is in fact under maintenance.
Shake hands with danger. Meet a guy you ought to know. I used to laugh at safety. Now they call me Three-Finger Joe.
Smile, you're being videotaped. Why is there this sneering rat creature and nothing else back here? It was a waste of time. This really is hell. Okay. Oh god. Hello. Mr. Bones. He's in everything. Alright, cool. So, 4th floor. Alright. I love the upside down cross reticle, by the way. It's a nice touch. Meow. You got a really kind of relaxed office atmosphere around here. You got Doom posters. Not sure who that is. One of them is Hitler, and then I'm not sure who the other guy is. Vincent? Is that you? Oh god, is this infinitely repeating hall? I'm in the west. I need to go to the east sector. I'm not even going the right way. Jump, B jump. B jump, B jump, B jump. B jump, 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 B jump, jump. Jumpy jump, 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 jump. This must be our guy here. His head seems to be somewhat on fire, but... Are you Steve? I have low blood sugar. If I work too much, my head starts to hurt and eventually catches on fire. Let's see. Maybe, yeah, maybe a floor down. There's just no reason we can't go to the other floors and check them out. 6 looks like it might need a key, but we can check 5 in the meantime. Jerry? Jerry? It's just Jerry Seinfeld. Hello, I'm famous actor and comedian Jerry Seinfeld, and I'm in hell. What's the deal with hell? Do. Okay, yeah, second floor here. Donuts. Donuts. I think the guy was here, went to the bathroom or something. I think he's gonna care if I just take one. Nice. Okay. Donuts acquired. Alright. Back to East Sector 6 with my donut. Hey, Stevesy. I don't know if this will work, but it's all I could find. Oh, my devil. That's just what I wanted. I'm glad you liked it. You know what? I'm going to help you. I'll look at that protocol you told me. Really? Thanks a lot, friend. Anything for you. I feel like I can work for 1,000 years nonstop now. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Don't worry about me. Here's your protocol number. Wow, that's nice. Now you can freely go and talk to the manager in the 5th floor. Good luck. Alright, cool. 5th floor. Here we come. Show the signed document to Nancy in the 1st floor, and she'll tell you what to do. Oh, God. Thanks a lot, again. Alright, back to the 1st floor. I'm sure it's fine. They wouldn't, like, make me go through a whole nother requisition form or something like that. Gotta go see Nancy. No big deal. Go see Nancy real quick, and then we're right downstairs to the big man. It's a beautiful elevator, by the way. Pardon me. That's the manager's signature? Wow. Let me admit, I didn't think you'd go this far. Yeah, I almost got literally killed. There are spinning saws in this building. Oh, the good old maintenance floor. So many good naps. Anyway, since you actually got this far, there's nothing I can do but to let you see the devil. Finally, how can I do it? You have to use this key in the elevator. Nice, this is a beautiful key. Yeah, it's very pretty. Okay then, thank you, Nancy. I'm going to make business with the devil. Good luck! I got a golden ticket. Alright. Very dramatic. Yeah. It's the devil. So tell me something. When you become the CEO of hell, you actually have the same power as the devil, right? Yeah, that's about it. So you can sign this document if you want? Sure, give it here. Wait, did you just sign it without reading it first? You just passed the full ownership of Hell to Mega Oil Co., of which I'm the representative. Wait, what? We've been trying for some time to speak with your father about Hell's rich oil reserves, and he turned us down every time. I actually came here to try to talk to him face to face. This document was nothing but a strategy to scare him into making some deal with us. But by signing it, you made it official, and now my company owns Hell. Wow, I didn't know it. I want to unsign it. Unfortunately, you can't do it. By next Monday, this building won't exist anymore. No, give me this document. It was good making business with you, Mr. Capetta. Just making some business. The oil extraction by Mega Oil Co. started soon after Hell's buildings were demolished. After years of exploration, the lands of Hell were turned into a parking lot. Paved paradise. What happened to Nancy? All former employees of Hell Inc. received a very decent severance pay. Nancy, the secretary, used hers to start her own private underworld management company. Oh, good for her. I always liked her. Carl, from Permits, invested in the stock market. He made a lot of money and retired soon after that. He can be lazy all the time now. Steve traveled the world. He eventually ended up in Antarctica, where he finally cooled his head for good. Mark left the corporate world. Now he lives off fishing. He never saw a protocol again. Oh, good. Good for Mark. I'm happy. Happy for him. Still down there. He's just sleeping. After the day hell was given away, no one saw the devil again, and his whereabouts are unknown. Pretty good. What about Jerry? Give it.